डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी.
Hello dear student, have a nice day. Myself Kiran Patel, Assistant Professor in School of Computer Science of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Dear students, we are going to start with the course RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. In today's session, we will learn about the Block 3, Oracle Server and SQL, in which the Unit 1 is a structured query language. This is the 8th part of the Unit 1 in a Block 3. Now we will start with the block 3, unit 1 is a structured query language. First of all, we see the agenda of the unit 1 is the learning objectives and outcomes. Introduction, basic data types of SQL, SQL statements, data definition statements, constraint, data manipulation statement, SQL operators, built-in function, SQL joins, SQL subqueries, views, indexes, sequences. All these topics are included in the SQL. In last session, we have been already completed up to the SQL joins. Now today, we are going to start with the SQL subqueries. Now start with the subqueries. A queries within a queries is known as a subqueries. It is also known as an inner query or a nested queries. It is use of the select statement inside the another select statement. The subquery can also be nested inside the insert, update and delete statement. It is embedded within the where clause. It also be placed either in a from clause, where clause or having clause of the main queries. The subquery must be enclosed within the parentheses, round parentheses. The subquery is used to return one data that will be used in a outer query or main query as a condition to further restrict the data to the retrieve. The subquery can be used with the select, insert, update and delete statement along with the operators. Now there are some rules that the subquery must follow. The subquery can have only one column in the select clause. The order by cannot be used in a subquery. Although the main query can use the order by, but subquery is not used. Same as the group by. The group by cannot be used in a subquery, although the main query can use the group by. The subquery that returns the more than one rows can only be used with the multiple values operators, such as the inner operators. The between operator can be used with the subquery, but not used with the main query. These all are the rules of the subquery. Now, see, the syntax of the subquery is select column names from table names, where column names, then operators. In the brackets, select column name from table name or a views name. We learn about the views in a next session. Where condition, then group by, then having. Here we see in the syntax, select statement, outer query, this called the outer query. And here is the round bracket, this one is the inner query. Now the operators such as the equal to, less than, greater than, in, not in, all are used here. Operators is used in a where condition. Now we can learn the subquery using example. Here there are two table is given. Same we use in a join query. The two tables, students with the roll number, name and city, and result with the roll number and percentage. If we use the subquery, using subquery we fetch the data from the multiple table, then join is required. Join is always use the data, fetch the data from the multiple tables. So if we fetch the more than one table data, then all the tables are joined or related to each other. Here the student table with the roll number, name and city, and result table with the roll number and percentage. The student table contains the 4 number of the records and result table contains the 3 numbers of the records. Here we see in the example. Now the subquery using the select statement. See, the display the records from the result table who are getting the highest percentage. Here we see in the example, display the records from the result table who are getting the highest percentage. See the query, how to write the subquery. Select roll number comma percentage from result, where percentage is equal to select max percentage from result. Here the question is getting the highest percentage. We cannot write down the max aggregate function in a outer query. So we write down this type of the query. It is the outer query. We need roll number and percentage. So write down select roll number comma percentage from result where percentage is equal to. First execute the inner query. It find out the max percentage from the result table. If max is find out, so the maximum percentage is matched with this column, and then in the result table the roll number and percentage is displayed. So the output, see in the output roll number to student getting the highest percentage is a 95. Now the subquery using the insert statement. We can also use the subquery along with the insert statement. The data written by the subquery is inserted into the another table. See, in a result table there are 3 number of the records. For example, insert the records into the result table. Insert those roll number which is existed into the student table but not existed into the result table. How to write down the subquery using insert statement? See in the example, insert into result, then we entered the data into the roll number column. So in the bracket roll number column, select roll number from student where roll number not in, select roll number from result. This query first it is executed inner query. This in the bracket it is called the inner query. So this from the result table roll number is find out, and this roll number is not matched with this roll number, and it is inserted into the result table. The output will display the roll number 4 which is inserted into the result table from the student table. The result table have not the roll number 4. That's why it is inserted from the student table. Now subquery using the update statement. The subquery can also be used with the update statement. You can update the single or multiple columns in the tables using the subquery. Here, see, the 2 table is given. The example is set the percentage of the student whose name is Ravi. The Ravi's roll number is a 4, and here the example is what? Set the percentage. How we can write down the update command? Update result set percentage is equal to 80. It is up to you what percentage you want to give the Ravi. So update result set percentage is equal to 80 where roll number is equal to select roll number from student where name is equal to Ravi. So the inner query is executed first and then after that outer query is executed. Here select the roll number whose name is Ravi. After that this roll number is matched with this roll number and then set the percentage of the Ravi. The output is a one row updated, and if we see the result table, see in the figure, the student name Ravi has a roll number 4 and in a output of the result table roll number 4 have a 80 percentage. Now the subquery using the delete statement. The subquery can be used with the delete statement. For example, delete the record from the result table whose name is Ravi. So how to write down the query? Delete the record from result. So we write down delete from result. Whose roll number is Ravi? So we write down where roll number is equal to in the bracket. Select roll number from student where name is equal to Ravi because the name column is given in a student table and result table not have a name. So we write down this type of the command. It is a inner query and it is a outer query. In a inner query it is find out the roll number of the Ravi student and it match with this roll number. And then this roll number record is deleted. Now the output is one row deleted and select star from result. See here the roll number 4 is deleted. Now practice on the SQL subqueries. See here there are two tables such as the employee and department. The department table is related with the employee table using DID. DID in a department table is a primary key and DID in a employee table is a foreign key. See, this one is the primary key in employee table and this one is a reference key because it is a primary key. It is a master table, it is a child table, or it is a parent or child, master and detail tables. Now select star from employee and select star from department. These are the records of the employee and departments. Consider these records and the first query is display the employee ID, employee name from the employee table whose department is located in the Vadodara. How to write down the subquery? Which one is display? Employee ID and employee name from the employee. Where DID in, select DID from department where location is a Vadodara. So the inner query is executed first. First it is going in a department table and find out the location Vadodara and find out the DID of the Vadodara city and then it is matched with this where DID and then it find out from the employee table. First department table, DID from department table, it will match with this department in an employee table and then display the records. See, it match with the records number 5. Now the second query is display the employee ID, employee name and salary of all the employee who are getting the maximum salary. How can we write down the queries? First, we display the employee ID and employee name and salary. So select employee ID, name, salary from employee. Where salary in the bracket max salary from the employee whose salary is maximum. salary maximum, it inner query find out the maximum salary from the employee table, and after that maximum salary is matched with the salary column, and then salary column from employee table is find out the employee ID, name and salary. So this, the inner query output is matched with the where condition of outer query, and it will display the fourth one record. Shivam has the highest salary. Now the third query is a use the set of multiple column match in a subquery. How can we write down the multiple columns? See, select employee ID comma employee name from the employee, where in a multiple column when we use, then it will display like this. How to write the multiple column? In the bracket, first column comma second column comma third column, we can write down in the bracket in, then select DID comma salary. This column is matched with this column. This one is the inner query. It find out DID and salary from the employee table, and then it will match with the this condition DID and salary, and then find out the employee ID and name. So how to write? Like this. If we write here column, it will same as here. Now it will display the employee ID and employee name. The order by can't use in a subquery, use in a main query. See in the example, order by is used like this. Can't use in a subquery means it is not used in a inner query. How to write down this query? This is the outer query. Select EID name salary from the employee, where salary, it is matched with the maximum salary of the employee, and from employee it find out the maximum salary and it match with the salary. After that, this one is the outer, this order by is included in a outer query, because the inner query is starting from this to ending from this. Okay, so order by EID in a descending order, so it will display the fourth number of records. Now the group by cannot be used in a subquery. So same as the order by, group by is also not used in a subquery. So subquery, inner query is this. Same as the order by, group by is used as a outer query, not included in a inner query. So the inner query is this and outer query is this. Outer query select EID mean salary from employee, where DID in the bracket, this one is the inner query. So from the department table, department ID is less than 104. This condition is matched, then DID is fetched, and this DID is matched with the outer query. And using this condition, the from employee table EID and minimum salary is find out, and this is the group by EID, because employee wise minimum salary it will display. Employee wise minimum salary. Now the between operator used in a subquery. How to use the between operator? See, select DID comma DName from the department, where DID in the bracket this. Between operator, how to use between operator in a subquery? Like this, where salary between 80,000 to 1 lakh. So it will display the employee between 80,000 to 1 lakh. This condition is matched, then from the employee table DID is find out, and then it will match with this DID and display the DID and D name. See, 103 and 104 salary is between this. Now here we complete the topics of the subquery from block 3 unit 1. At the end, thank you all. In next session, we will start with the SQL views. If you understand this session and getting the knowledge from this session, then please subscribe the BAU Gujarat. And once again, thank you all.
स्वाध्यायः